Hello everyone, I am Yash.
I am Ekapragnya.
I am Sumeru from ATL Public School, Kooragalli.
We are the team CloudBursters. According to IMD, 100 mm of rain in 1 hour is called a cloudburst. Cloudbursts are a highly localized phenomenon.
When we interacted with people living in the Western Ghats, we got to know the problems they face and the aftermath of heavy rainfall. So, we came up with this alert system.
We have come up with a solution which measures the rate of rainfall and alerts the local area that are likely to get flooded. SMS is used to alert people.
We designed and 3D printed a simple rain gauge to check the rate of rainfall. The rain gauge will collect the rain which will fall on the tipping bucket through a funnel.
A magnet is attached to the tipping bucket and a Hall effect sensor is attached on the outer walls of the rain gauge. When the water starts collecting in the tipping bucket, the tipping action will cause the magnet to change the position, which in turn results in change in magnetic field. This change in magnetic field is sensed by the Hall effect sensor.
With our calibration, we will be checking for the rate of rainfall. If it crosses a threshold, we send out an SMS to alert people residing in flood-prone areas. The simplicity of this model is easy for people to install and use.
What?
During the development process, I was responsible for the calibration, calculation, and primary research.
The circuit design and the rain gauge design were a collaborative effort with contributions from Yash, Sumeru, and myself.
Model making was a joint effort between me and Ekapragnya.
We also want to express our gratitude to our mentor for helping us throughout this journey.
Thank you.